Good morning. Happy Saturday. Back to her regular dancing schedule. No, actually, it's not the same schedule. Noon 9 siya eh. Ngayon, start na siya ng 10.
Next week, you're not even 6.
Where do you wanna go on Easter?
I wanna go in Singapore.
No.
In Easter, I wanna go find eat some chocolate eggs.
Which country do you wanna visit? I'm using the Ecolux detangler brush. Maganda siya guys, cute lang, liit.
Is that one an old one?
This is a new one. They gave it to us.
Oh.
And then gamitin ko din yung kanilang Rock and Repel hairspray. Ginamit ko to kay Ayla kahapon eh.
I'm cold.
Mabango siya. Can you smell it?
No.
Kagagaling niya lang dancing and she wanted to paint. Natanggap niya to from Harley's party. And kagabi pa niya gustong gamitin. Gusto na niya mag-paint talaga kagabi pa.
Hold on.
Sabi ko ngayon lang, are you all done? Hala, is this easy to clean?
Yeah.
Okay.
Very.
That's good. Sorry?
Some Netflix, they're fine.
Okay.
Yeah. Time.
Mag-grocery shopping ako and... Hala! Oh my gosh. She's alright.
Yeah, she's alright. Yeah, she's alright. That's alright.
Just put that dummy. Sige.
So 2 milks. Check the dates.
Yeah.
This brand of grated cheese. 4 more packets of those.
So, did you put that? Yeah. Okay.
25 of those. We don't need eggs on that side of it. 5 bananas. A couple apples. I'm not really eating enough
I love
apples.
that, yeah.
When you get the garbage bags, get this brand.
Glad? Yeah.
And what size?
Large, you said.
Large, that's right.
Yeah, have it here.
You want it to a bit larger. For the lettuce, we need 2 types of lettuce. The iceberg lettuce
Yep.
for nachos, and the fancy lettuce we get for our salad.
Okay.
That's Tony and Mark's, and that's a butcher.
Okay.
4/4 chops is 4. You'll see it 4/4.
Is that lamb?
Yep.
Okay.
No,
What else do you want for your meat? Do you want steak?
that's fine. We got nuts. We got tacos. We got meat, and we
There's
got
this
salad.
dinner that I wanted to try. That Manay taught me. Yeah.
Tomatoes for tacos. If I get 1 or 2 tomatoes for
The
tacos.
big one, yeah.
And I don't know, but then I don't know if this is going to be enough for the salad. Is that enough tomatoes? Not really.
That is enough.
You cut it in half as well.
Yeah.
Bocconcini, get the smaller one. They're at Tony and Mark's.
Do you want the bocconcini or the feta?
I like bocconcini.
Okay. So, saan ba yan? Sabi ko mag-grocery ako kasi tulog si Inday. Nagising, hindi pa ako nakakaalis. Nagising nga kay Inday. Try, lagay ni Daddy yung dami. Ito na naman. Nag-ready na ako kasi hindi na naman ako makakaalis nito. Let's go! I don't remember the last time na nag-grocery shopping ako guys na mag-isa. Gusto ko isama si Ayla. Ayaw niya talaga guys. Ang sayo niya dun sa pa-painting niya. It's hot. It's 28 degrees right now but it's very windy. May mga grocery shopping akong ginagawa while buntis and while kakapanganak lang. But it's always either may kasama ako. Like last one was with Michelle. It wasn't really like shopping. Nagpunta lang kami ng grocery to get a few things. So, hindi kami gumagawa ng 1 week na grocery shopping because Dan is always out and about. He prefers his meat and his bread and his fruit and his veggies fresh. So, hindi kami pwede talaga na mag 1 week grocery shopping. So, kapag nagsha-shopping si Dan, it's for like half a week lang. So, usually, nagsha-shopping si Dan ng weekend para sa supply namin from weekend until Tuesday. Tas usually, dumadaan din siya ng grocery ng Tuesday kasi Wednesday nag-start ng school si Ayla, so we get the food for her baon para yun, fresh lahat. So usually 2 beses or more kami pumupunta ng shops kasi malapit lang naman kami sa shops, and again Dan is always out and about, so it's not that hard for us really, for him. But yeah, si Dan mostly yung nag-grocery shopping for us. So he's very particular with the stuff that he gets, the brand. So kanina para akong batang inuutusan. Dapat ganito, dapat ganyan, very specific. And kasi kapag ako yung nagsha-shopping, hindi ako bumibili ng matatamis. If you notice, kapag si Dan nagsha-shopping, bumibili siya ng mga matatamis kasi yun yung hilig niya. Ako kasi hindi ako mahilig dyan. Tapos, I don't give my kids that as well. So, hindi ako bumibili ng lollies, hindi ako bumibili ng mga ganyan para sa mga bata kapag ako yung nagsha-shopping. So, dahil si Dan yung nagsha-shopping, ang daming lollies ng mga bata. Pero, tinatago ko din naman. Kaya lang, yun lang, the fact na meron kami sa bahay, nabibigay mo talaga siya. Kapag wala kasi talaga, wala ka talagang mabibigay. So, nandito din yung Kmart, tapos katabi niya lang yung Kohl's. Saan tayo magpa-park? Doon tayo mag-park sa malayo. Ayan, katapat lang tayo ng cart return. Malayo yung lalakarin ko, pero at least yung return ng cart nandito lang sa harap. Let's go! So, diba? Si Dan pa nag-ready nito, guys. Lagay niya talaga before ako lumabas para hindi ko makalimutan. Mainit, pero mahangin. Pero yung hangin, mainit. Nakalimutan ko pa magdala ng sanis. Dito tayo. Gusto ko sana mag-Kmart, kaya lang wala akong kailangan. Ako na talaga ang mag-isa lang. 150 grams, please. Of the gypsy. Yep, thank you. Dito na ako sa cheese. Alam nyo bang failed na agad ako? Kasi dapat hindi ako dito. Dapat dun ako sa shop na mayroong Tony and Marks. Kaya lang nandito na tayo. So, nandito na tayo. Tapos yung cheese na ito. Nakasale ang paborito kong cheese. I am almost done. Just looking for yogurts, Yakult, sour cream. So, dito na yan banda. Nandito yung hinahanap-hanap namin ni Manay sa Sydney. Hindi pala siya cheese. It's a kind of sour cream pala. So, nandito siya sa sour cream. Pero, chinek din talaga namin ni Manay yun. Yung nasaan yung Gula na brand. Wala talaga din siya doon. Kasi maliit yun na shop na grocery sa Sydney. Pero yan, mali pa din kami. Hindi siya cheese. Salami kasing sinabi ni Kuya, hindi niya na-include na hindi pala cheese yun. Dami-dami niya sinabi sa amin yung history ng caviar. Kasi tinanong namin siya, sabi namin, Kuya, ano yung cheese na para dito? Tapos sabi niya, creme fresh, pero wala na ako, hindi na ako nagbebenta. Naubusan ako. Hindi man niya lang sinabi na sour cream pala yun. Sorry naman, guys. Tingin-tingin ako ng napi dito. Kasi next na bibili namin size 2 na for Indy. And naka half price yung Rascals na brand. Parang maganda. Maganda ba to? Yung hindi na kami sobrang maarte sa napis. Kasi okay naman yung skin niya. Yung sa kay Ayla kasi yung arte-arte namin sa napis. Mga kay Arlo to, oh. Dinosaur, malaking gun. O, diba? Bawing-bawi. Parang ang dami. Hindi pa ako tapos. napakainit. Mahangin na mainit. Punta ako dun sa shop kung saan talaga dapat ako, guys. Yung mga prutas at saka mga gulay, binili ko na lang sa Kohl's. Sa Tony and Marks pala kami bumibili. Binili ko doon, tapos yung apple yung hindi ko binili kasi hindi maganda yung apple sa Kohl's. But the rest are okay naman. So punta ako doon sa kabilang shop na may Woolies din kasi gusto ko din bilhin yung caviar. Kasi bumili ako creme fresh tas wala akong caviar. Pero okay lang, chinek ko na yung stock and meron naman silang stock. Alright, nandito na tayo sa last stop ko. I'll be quick. I'll just get the caviar from Woolies and Dan's meat kasi gusto niya sa butcher talaga bilhin yung meat niya. Yan yung request ni Dan. 4/4 chop. 4. Last stop, Woolies. Nabili ko na yung meat at saka apple. Hanapin natin yung caviar. Wala na siya, guys. Yan yung brand sana, Holland House. Kaya lang wala na. Chinek ko kaninang umaga, merong stock. Ngayon kaka-check ko lang, pagdating ko dito, walang stock. Ay nako, binuang. Last na lang, wonton wrappers. Asan na yung wonton wrappers? Sabi meron daw stock. So we'll see. Dito yung mga wrapper. Spring roll pastry, puff pastry. Wala daw pala siya sa freezer. Nandun daw siya sa aisle 1. Bait-bait ni Kuya. Nasaan yung aisle 1? Ayun. Diba ang layo ng inabot ko? Nandun ako sa kabilang dulo. Okay, hala. Dito na ako galing kanina eh. Gotcha. Dito nga siya, guys. Ay. Bili lang ako sushi din.
Did you want soy with these as well?
Yes, please. Thank you.
That one's just $17.50.
Yep. Thank you.
Do you need a bag?
No, that's alright. Thank you. Mag-bowl tayo, guys. Madami-dami to. I got sushi malang from... Yeah. So, ito yung nabili ko sa Woolies. Dalawa lang. Kasi wala nga sila nung mumurahing caviar. So, I got sliced pork belly. Bumibili ako nito kapag gusto kong kumain ng pa-Korean barbecue daw sa bahay. And mas maganda yung itsura sa Woolies kaysa sa Kohl's. And naka-sale din siya. And then I got gyoza wrappers. Wonton wrappers sana yung kinuha ko na. Kaya lang nakita ko yung gyoza medyo mas makapal siya. So I got those instead. Ito yung from Tony and Marks. Yung apple. Tapos nandito yung mga meat. So bumili lang ako ng lamb. Tapos chicken. Maninipis na steak. Kasi meron akong gustong gawin. Merong sinabi si Manay na madali lang daw gawin. Tapos ano daw, masarap daw. Croissant. Strawberries. Maraming ganito kasi naka half price siya, guys. Gusto kasi ito ng mga bata. So tigdadalawa ng iba-ibang klase. So marami siya. And then ito din naka half price din. So I got those as well. Ito naka 2 for something. Patatas, pasta, taco shells.
Mommy, it is for your timer.
It is, yeah, thank you. I'll use it for a bit, okay? Taco seasoning, pancake mix, bean bags, and itatry ko to. This is from Kohl's, sparkling water nila na flavor. Kasi meron dun sa Woolies, diba, na gusto ko. Mas malaki to kaysa sa Woolies. And gatas ni Indy. Yung cheese. Itatry ko tong chips na to, nakasale siya. Hindi ako bumibili masyado ng chips na dito sa Australia eh. Lagi talaga ako sa Filipino shop. So, dalawang klase ng lettuce. Talong. Ayan. And then yung creme fresh nga, pero wala tayong caviar. Ano ba yan? Bucatini na cheese. Ito yung gustong ipatry sa akin ni Manay. Binili actually namin to nung nasa Sydney kami, guys, na iwan kasi hindi namin nakain, sayang. Baby bell peppers na may cream cheese sa loob. So naka 2 for something siya. Dalawa yung pinuha ko. Tempura chicken pops. Walang magandang garlic. So ito lang yung pinuha ko, garlic paste. And then, Little Meals, iba-ibang klase ito, but nasa iba-ibang bag. Alright, ito guys, a total of 25 na yogurts. Ayan. Resealable bags, iba-ibang size. Kasi naubusan na ako ng mga ganyang size. Hopefully, yan yung size. Hindi ko actually 100% sure. 5 probiotic drink, 5 packs, isang tuna, tapos ito yung salad dressing na ginagamit namin. Honey and Dijon mustard na salad dressing. Oh, tomorrow is Miss Universe, my love.
Is it?
Yeah.
What time?
I think it's 2:30.
Okay.
Yeah. Have you seen our representative? Twiggy sticks. Nilalagay ko to minsan sa lunchbox ni Ayla. More of the little meat. Cucumber. Ito na yung gamit ko para sa toilet. Tapos mas prefer ko yung blue. Yung binili kasi ni Dan last time, ano yung violet na kulay. So mas maganda blue. Tomato, sour cream, my favorite cheese, more tomato, avocado, cream cheese. Meron akong gagawin yung careful Ayla ha, yung with cream cheese na nira-wrap dun sa wonton wrapper, tapos dini-deep fry. So gusto ko yun i-try. Don't do that, please. Don't do that, please. Bananas na maliliit. And then dalawa nito. Gatas. Ham. Alright. That's it. Alright, let's put these away.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I sensed something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore.
Hello. Hapon na guys, mga 5 something na ata. Gawa tayo no crispy tuna wonton something. Hindi ko ma-check kasi nasa taas yung phone ko. Naka-white noise for indie. Matagal ko na siyang gustong gawin. Kaya lang lagi ko nakakalimutan magpabili ng ingredients kay Dan. Ngayon, na nagpunta ako doon para bumili ng mga ingredients sana, tinapon naman ni Dan ang aming carrots kanina. Tinapon niya ang carrots kay siya na talaga. Ang dami pa nun. Alam niya naman si Dan, ang hilig magtitingin ng kung anong itatapon niya sa fridge. So, napagdiskitahan niya ang carrots kasi daw matagal na yun. Okay na okay pa yun. Ginamit ko pa yun. Kailan ko ba yun ginamit? Kahapon? Ilagay ko pa yun sa lunch ng mga bata. So, dapat meron tong carrots but wala nga tayong carrots. So, hindi natin lalagyan. But it will need 2 cans of tuna and isa lang century tuna ko. So, bumili ako ng ibang klaseng tuna dun sa grocery. And then, cream cheese. So, nilabas ko na yung cream cheese kanina. Very soft na to. And then, maglagay ka lang ng seasoning na gusto mo. Maglagay ka din ng carrots. Tapos, ala, yung bag ko yung naraglag, boy. Alright, come here. I'll open. Yeah. Where did you find this? Where did you find it?
Mommy.
Mommy? Mommy's bag?
Mommy's bag.
Oh, wow. You lucky boy.
I got a roller.
You got a roll-up.
It's an iron. Stop.
Hmm?
It's an iron.
You wanna show Ayla? Oh, Ayla's sleeping.
Huh?
Yeah, that's okay. Show her later?
Yeah. So ask your dad.
Oh, nakatulog si Ayla sa couch. Meron din kami na to. So, lagyan ko niyan. So, sabi pa namin, today, magsistay lang kami sa bahay kasi sobrang init. Yung weather forecast kasi is, aabot siya ng 37 degrees. Eh, ang init-init na niyan, guys. Na sobrang mapanakit ba? But it's not too bad. It's windy and it's not too bad. So, ang sarap sana ngayon ilabas. Kung ganun, sobrang init, hindi siya komportable. Tapos, may newborn pa tayo. So, we decided to stay home. Alright, drain. So, i-mix ko lang siya. Sayang, walang carrots da.
I love it, Mama.
You love it? Oh,
Yes.
that's good.
Daddy, give Mommy.
Ah, Daddy gave it to you.
Daddy.
Oh.
He's
He's talking about his gun. Lagay ko lang, water gun. So, garlic powder, onion powder, and maglalagay ako vegeta. Uy. Pwede din maglagay ng chili flakes, kaya lang hindi kasi mahilig si Dan sa maanghang. You wanna go outside? You did it! Oh my gosh, you're so strong. Yeah, close it before the flies get in. Close it first. Just push it. You're strong. And dapat pala square. Bilog yung kinuha ko. Ako na talaga. Ano ang bilog?
Big. Stop.
Yes. Oh, wow.
Look, it's Daddy, Mom. Mommy, look. It's there, Mom.
Yes.
Look.
Mas maganda sana talaga kung square.
Mommy,
Yes.
look.
Oh, wow. Why? The light's on?
There.
Yeah, the light is on. Ate turned on the lights.
Mommy, look. He's up there.
Hello, close the door, mate.
Mommy, he's up there, Mom.
Yep.
He's up there. He's up there, Mom.
Yes, baby.
I had to, Mommy, I had a fight with the nanas.
Ah, ganitohin ko na lang. Ayan. Para crispy.
A banana.
Ayan. Ay, ang cute. Okay.
I want rice.
You want rice?
Rice.
Alright. I'll give you rice. So, yung bilog, lagyan mo ng tubig. Lagay mo yung filling sa gitna.
Daddy.
I-meet mo yung gitna like that. And then, like that sa gilid. And like this sa gilid. Ganon. Tapos, i-pinch mo lang yung gilid. Puro gilid. Ay, ang cute!
Pineapple thousands, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong.
So, nakagawa ako ng 30. Kasi 30 sheets to. Tapos naubos ko siya. And meron pa akong natira, guys. Konti. So, yung gagawin ko dito is ilalagay ko siya sa puff pastry namin. Meron kaming puff pastry dyan. So, try lang. Try lang. I-wrap natin siya dito. Tignan nyo, ang cute, parang unan. Ito yung puff pastry. So, kinat ko lang siya into half. Tapos, yung half, kinat ko into 4. Hanggang sa may ganito ka. Lagay dito. Tapos, fold this way. And then that way. And then, tinidor here. 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 Tapos, sa kabila din. And then, meron ka ng unan. Cute. Ganito yung itsura. Again, yung ginamit ko, gyoza wrapper. Hindi wonton. So, iba yung itsura niya sa mga nakita ko. So, siguro dapat wonton wrapper yung ginamit ko, hindi gyoza. But it looks good. Gusto ko na siyang itry. Parang ang crispy-crispy din. Wait, saan? Yan yun naman. Crispy nga. Sarap. Guys, ito yung itsura ng puff pastry. Mas masarap siya tingnan. Try natin. Flaky yung pastry. Ayla? Do you want this? I made puff pastry with cheese inside. You want it?